How can we access files from the Files app on iOS Simulator? I want to copy the application log files to disk. In the X Launcher for Xcode app, go to the Devices panel. Select the desired simulator and click the Open Device Storage button. The files are located in this folder. Move the file to disk. We can copy files in both directions.
Xlauncher is a new tool for iOS developers. Create your own project list. Launch projects. Control the size of Xcode junk files. Manage simulators. View user defaults. And simulator storage. Make your work with Xcode more comfortable.